Hi everyone, this is Miss Bramlett, and I just wanted to send out just a quick note today as everyone is submitting their final portfolios. There's still a few things people are forgetting to do. One really important thing is to make sure everything on your portfolio is shareable. That means you're able to share it with anyone with the link to your portfolio. Very quickly, take a look at this. This is my Google Drive, and this is a folder that has all of my work for a project. So let me show you how to share it. Very quickly, you just go over here to List View, and instead of a grid, you're going to create a list view. And once that list is made, you go to each individual assignment, because yours will just be your different assignments like observation 1, observation 2, etc. You right click, go to share, and then instead of putting in my email address, you go to advanced, and right here it will say private if you haven't shared it already, but you want to change that to on anyone with the link, meaning anyone who has the link can access it. So go ahead and hit save, and then done. Now, to know that it worked, you will have the two little people right here, the person icons, but you're going to go through each assignment and make sure to change the settings from private to public. Therefore, I will be able to open everything on your portfolio. If you have any other questions, just let me know. Remember, you are to turn in your observations in two places, on Canvas, and then you add them to your portfolio. So that is two places. You submit them through Canvas and then add them to your personal portfolio. The portfolio is the last thing that you turn in. If you have any other questions, please let me know. If you are still working on your observation reflections, please let me know. The last day that I will take those, I think it will be Friday, December 6th. I cannot take any more late work after Friday, December 6th. So please just contact me if you need any help, and I hope you have a good week.